Of course you know George Floyd, and you know that the world is witnessing demonstrations against racism. No one knows racism more than the people who suffer from it. At work, on the street, in the corner on the bus, at school, in the stadiums, maybe even at home. But did you know who was the first person to fight racism and slavery together? It is the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This happened 1,400 years ago. Not only racism, the Prophet Muhammad fought for justice in everything. Men, women and even animals. And plants, too. The Prophet Muhammad, before he died, Angel Gabriel came to him and said to him, "Do you want to stay in this world? Or die?" Then the Prophet said, "Rather, the Companion Supreme, the Companion Supreme." In the farewell speech, the Prophet said, "O people, your Father is one and your God is one, there is no Arab better than a non-Arab and there is no non-Arab better than an Arab, and there is no white man better than a black man and there is no black man better than a white man except for piety and good action.